Now we still have to get it into the cell and at very high efficiency. And the cool thing is that most organisms actually have another very closely related molecule that we call myoglobin. This is the pigment, the respiratory pigment if you want, that is not in the blood, but myoglobin is inside the muscle cells or any of these cells itself. Myoglobin has a higher affinity for oxygen at even lower partial pressures of oxygen, which means that even in these lower concentrations that exist inside the tissue, inside these, for example, muscle cells that are actively moving and using up oxygen, they still retain a high, they want to grab onto oxygen. So the two, hemoglobin and myoglobin within the tissues, work in concert so that we actually facilitate the giving off of oxygen from hemoglobin back here in the tissues and have almost like a sponge, right, where we can suck it up in terms of myoglobin with its stronger affinity at even lower partial pressures of oxygen to draw that oxygen in very strongly into the tissues. Absolutely ingenious.